Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Yes, you read the title. Today I'm going to follow Alia Bhatt's no foundation sunburned makeup look, and the look is so appropriate for the winter season, so I thought I make winter special wala look create karu. And of course the products I'm going to be using are way too affordable than what she used, and it literally took me an hour almost to choose the exact shades that she was using. So yeah, it's going to be interesting and फन टू लेट्स गो. कुछ ज़्यादा फॉलो नहीं करना है. बेसिक CMS रूटीन यानी कि क्लेंजर, मॉइस्चराइजर एंड सनस्क्रीन, ये तीनों अप्लाई कर लो एंड यू आर गुड टू गो, स्पेशली मेकअप से पहले. सो टुडे आई एम गोना बी यूजिंग वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट फेस वॉशेज. ये है निविया का मिल्क डिलाइट्स फेस वॉश इन द वेरिएंट हनी, एंड आई लव देयर हनी वेरिएंट. आई हैव ट्राइड देयर रोज एंड ऑल्सो आई थिंक the saffron one. I have been using this for almost like 4 to 5 months now. Now why I like this, because I have combination skin now, तो मेरा skin winters में especially काफ़ी ज़्यादा dry हो जाता है, and other face washes make my skin very dry and dull, but this one क्योंकि it has milk based formula, so ये मेरे face को dry नहीं करता and it cleanses so beautifully, and this face wash makes my skin stay healthy and glow naturally. Look at the instant difference. My skin feels so fresh and yet so moisturized and glowing at the same time, and it feels really fantastic. And the best part, it's dermatologically tested and it's suitable for all skin types. Well, if you want, you can try this amazing Milk Delights face wash by Nivea. Link description box mein hoga. You can check them out now. I'm gonna quickly apply a moisturizer. And now that our skin is prepped nicely, let's dive into the makeup. So it's going to be a no foundation routine. She named this look sunburned glowy peachish look. She used a skin tint with a moisturizing primer and illuminating primer. So मेरे पास moisturizing primer and illuminating primer के नाम पे यही एक ही है. This is NY base and ये recently launched हुआ है, मेरे अपने last haul पे दिखाया था. So I'm going to use this, but she used the primer and her skin tint together and applied with her fingers. How scary is that? Because I never do this, you guys know. I always use brushes. So ये जो नया product है, ये नया launch है again. I have showed this मेरे last haul पे. ये Lakme का skin tint है, Lakme Absolute skin tint. Let's apply it with my fingers only. I don't know if I'm getting there or not, but that's pretty much how she applied it, and it's looking literally good. So this is how my base, like the first layer, is looking, and I'm going to keep it like this. Next, she applied a concealer. Basically she used concealer to cover her छोटा मोटा spot, covered just a little, because she said कि उनको ना ऐसे freckle वाला skin ज़्यादा पसंद है. I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend the concealer, and I chose this concealer because ये ना काफ़ी lightweight सा है and you can actually control the coverage. Okay, इसके बाद she used a liquid blush and she kind of applied it like ऐसे यहाँ से start करके peach shape में apply किया है. So this is LA Girl Soft Matte Cream Blush in the shade Grace. This is the pretty close match, and थोड़ा सा nose पे जाके फिर से यहाँ पे भी same. Actually, I forgot how pigmented the blush is. I'm looking like a clown. I messed up a big time. I applied too much actually. At this point, she was looking like a peach cake, but I mean, she's Alia Bhatt. Who am I kidding? Next, I think she used a stick contour. ये Purplle का hide and seek cream to powder foundation concealer stick है. She applied it right here. I don't know why, but मैं अगर यहाँ पे apply करूँगी तो मेरा cheeks काफ़ी और भी ज़्यादा गोल मोटल लगेगा. So I'm just going to apply on the areas जहाँ पे मैं usually apply करती हूँ. Here a little ऊपर and here. And let me tell you, ये काफ़ी quickly and easily blend होता है. You can use your fingers. उसके बाद आलिया ने एक पाउडर यूज़ किया था, एक कॉम्पैक्ट, and also पूरे फेस में just to set her under eyes. I'm gonna use a Maybelline Fit Me compact, just using a powder brush to set my under eyes a little. Next, she did her eyes, eyeshadow. So उसके लिए I have this Nykaa का Just Wink It palette in the variant Crushed Berries. She used 3 shades, like a peachy shade, a pinkish peachy shade and a dark peach shade. तो उसमें सब shade है. तो first I'm going to use this peach shade and I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid. उसके बाद she used a deeper pink, so I'm just gonna use this shade right here, and मैं इसे अपने eyelid पे एकदम like center part पे apply करूँगी, like the way she did. फिर से ये light वाला जो shade है ना, like the light peachy shade, from start to end मैंने जब भी देखा है आलिया को अप्लाई करते हुए आई शेडोज, शी अप्लाइज लाइक दिस एकदम शुरू से लेके एंड तक, which I don't do at all. So okay, let's do this time and let's see. Last में she used a lighter like nudish shade यहाँ पे like एकदम शुरू के साइड पे. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the compact and I'm gonna use my finger only to apply it. एकदम शुरू के साइड पे like this. So next step is mascara and she used like very little amount of it. So उसके लिए मैंने ना ये Swiss Beauty Craze वाला mascara चूज़ किया है. इसमें दो डिफरेंट तरह का wand है, एक voluminous side और एक lengthening side, and she used two different mascaras for that, one for upper lashes and one for lower lashes. But before that she curled her lashes, so I'm going to use the volume side for my upper lashes and I'm going to use the lengthening वाला wand मेरे लोअर लैशेस पे. काफ़ी कम लग रहा है मस्कारा यार, मैं काफ़ी अमाउंट पे लगाती हूँ, बट एनीवे यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा लग गया जो हम बाद में क्लीन करने वाले हैं. उसके बाद आलिया ने अपने आईब्रोज फिल किया यूजिंग बेनिफिट का ब्राउ पाउडर. मेरे पास ब्राउ पाउडर है, लाइक उतना मैं यूज़ करती हूँ नहीं ब्राउ पाउडर्स, बट मुझे ना इस सेम नायका पैलेट में ये ब्राउन शेड दिख रहा है जो आई कैन यूज़ इट टू फिल माई ब्राउज. Okay, now the interesting part, she used a bronzer, like a bronzer. इसमें ना highlighting particles होता है, तो I have this which is LA Girl Red Rouge blush, and yes it's a blush, it's not a bronzer, but इसका shade जो है ना it looks like a bronzer. The shade she used exactly match करता है. पास वाले बिल्डिंग पे कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है, तो थोड़ा बहुत साउंड, थोड़ा नहीं कुछ ज़्यादा ही साउंड आपको आ रहा होगा, so ignore थोड़ा सा. Just going to apply it here, like मेरे blush and contour के ऊपर से. Then she used a contour powder and I'm going to use Rimmel Natural bronzer. इसका shade काफ़ी cool tone के side पे है. I was looking for a stick highlighter because she used one and मैंने पूरा साफ़ कर लिया, मैंने पूरा रीऑर्गेनाइज कर लिया, लेकिन मुझे स्टिक हाइलाइटर्स दिखा ही नहीं. दो के अलावा एक था मार्स का और एक था ये पर्पल का स्टिक हाइलाइटर. पता नहीं बाकी सब कहाँ घूमने गया मुझे नहीं पता. ये पर्पल टू मच डुअल हाइलाइटर, so I'm going to use this shade right here. I have to apply it directly on my face like this. I'm going to use my finger to blend it a little. Then she used another liquid highlighter, Rare Beauty ka. So I have an affordable, super affordable dupe Swiss Beauty ka liquid drop and glow liquid highlighter in the shade 01, which is light pink. Last step में हम पहुंच चुके हैं and the last step is lipstick and she used a peachish lipstick of course to complement her eye look because ये monochrome peachish look था. This is a maxx matte liquid lipstick in the shade fresh peach. I thought कि ये match करेगा and also the formulation is really good. It's super lightweight. Dabbing it a little to get that stain wala look like the way she likes. And at the end, the very final step is a lip balm. And she applied a very glossy lip balm. And glossy lip balm and the packaging reminds me of this Swiss Beauty Kiss and Candy lip balm in the variant Watermelon. A perfect winter look, like with a juicy, plumpy lip and peachish, glowy look. It's a perfect winter look. I mean, she's Alia Bhatt, so she's looking super pretty. But anyway, this is the final finished look. That is the best that I could do. The look is very simple, easy to create. Though she used a lot of products, like इसको कम products use करके भी किया जा सकता था, but still the look is very pretty. It's monochromatic. It's perfect for fall or winter. It's glowy. It's dewy. The base is very light. So yeah, again, perfect for winter. Yeah, that was it for today's video. Link आपको description box में मिल जाएगा या फिर you can check view products box to check out the products that I've used today. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye, take care, and I love you all.